One day in the vast ocean, there was a very large whale. Whales always have their mouths open wide to eat fish and plankton. But today is a little different. The whale seemed very sleepy. "Oh, I'm sleepy," said the whale, yawning with his mouth wide open. And guess what? The whale's big mouth was full of fish. "Wow, I thought you were going to eat me because you yawned," the fish said in surprise. But the whale said with his mouth wide open, "I'm so sleepy, I can't stop yawning," he said. The fish are making a fuss around the whale. "What should we do? What should we do? At this rate, the whale will eat us too," said the little shrimp. "Everyone, when the whale yawns, let's yawn together." Everyone was surprised. "Eh? Why?" Shrimp smiled and said, "Maybe if we yawn together, we'd be able to get rid of our sleepiness." The fish decided to try what the shrimp suggested. When the whale yawned, the fish also yawned together. Then, strangely enough, the whale gradually began to wake up. "Oh, I don't feel sleepy anymore." The fish danced happily. "Yay! Whale, you're awake," the whale said with a big grin. "Thanks, guys." My sleepiness disappeared. From then on, whenever whale was about to yawn, the fish would yawn with him. And we all smiled and laughed together, and the ocean became a fun place.